Today, I'm going to show you how to use Quick Analysis tool in Microsoft Excel. Quick Analysis tool helps you to take a range of data and pick the perfect chart with just a few commands. Sounds practical, right? I'll show you how. Here I have the available data, categorized by goods and stock in months. And to do the quick analysis, you have to block your entire table first by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard, like this. After that, the Quick Analysis tool icon will show up in the bottom right. And you click on that. It has several options such as formatting, charts, totals, tables, and sparklines. Let's check out the formatting first, shall we? As it said here, formatting is used to highlight the interesting data, and here we have data bars, which highlights data in bars, and the fuller the bars, the higher the data, and vice versa. Next up, we have colors, which highlights the data in colors. And here, the most green is the highest data, while the most red is the lowest data. Next, we have icon set. It highlights your data in color, and arrows icon. And it looks like that. Next, we have grader, which only highlights the highest data per month. And we have top 10%, which only highlights the top 10% of the data. Lastly, in formatting, we have clear, which looks like our original data table with no highlights. And here I choose icon set to formatting my data. And of course, you can choose any formatting you like for your data. Now let's go back again and check out the charts. It has several options just like formatting. You will have the pop-up previews of the charts and the pop-up informations of the charts like this. And you can choose any chart that's suitable for your data or any chart you like, but if it's not here, you can explore by clicking the More button. And for this data, let's pick this line chart. After clicking that, the chart will appear next to your table data. And now, if you want to check the total of your data, you click this icon again and choose totals. It has several options as well, and it will automatically calculate the totals for you. Here we have sum, average, count, total percent, running, and also sum, but it appears in the columns. And for this data, let's pick sum that appears in the rows, like this. And just like that, you have your data automatically calculated. Next, if you want to filter, summarize, or sort your data, click this icon again and choose tables, and you will see tables, and the rest is pivot table options here, and it will show you the pop-up and the informations of the table, and you can pick any options that's suitable to your needs. Let's try the table here. After you click that button, your table will look like this. It also has these arrows that the function is to filter your data. You can sort your data from A to Z or from Z to A, and for the number data, you can sort from the smallest to largest and vice versa. Also notice, if you sort your data, it will change the order of your data in the table and the graphics chart. Now let's check out the pivot table. There are several options here, and you can pick any pivot table that's suitable to your needs. But if it's not here, you can always explore more options by clicking this button. And for this data, let's choose this sum of February and sum of March by April. After clicking that, your pivot table will appear in a new sheet like this, and it also has the arrow button to sort your data from smallest to largest and vice versa. And now, if you want your data in a mini charts, you click this icon again and choose sparklines. There are 3 options here, but before we try it out, let's move our first chart like so. And yes, of course you can move your chart. And after you move your chart, you click this icon again and choose sparklines. And you can pick between lines, column, and win or loss. Because the first chart is already aligned, so let's choose the line options in the sparklines. And there you are, the mini charts of your data. It appears in a column next to your table data. Now you have all of your data neatly arranged, just like what you need, and super quick as well. Don't forget to practice it at home. Give this video likes, comments if you have any questions, and share to your friends if you find this video helpful. Also, subscribe to this channel for more video tutorial like this. See you on another video.